Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to fix your payment was declined by bank on Google Play. So guys, what you have to do, just follow the steps to fix this one. Try using Play gift card to complete the transaction. This is the first one, and try using the best interface for your computer device. If you're using desktop, on my case guys, try to transaction use Google product website. And if the mobile device, try using product mobile app. You can use the app on your mobile. This is the mobile, for example guys. You can try use this version of the mobile, and after that, if you're using gas checkout, when the error, try sign up to existing Google account and place your order again, and just follow these steps guys. Try sign up to existing Google account, or you can try to create a new Google account if don't already have visiting the Google store. And if you enable complete transaction, check the fund payment method and make sure you have enough money on your account to purchase or make money, and make you the purchase again of different method. And if you may decline guys by your account, what you have to do, go to payment and take action on error to request payment center, and need to verify your identity after your through your Google account, and make sure name, address, and payment are payment information are up to date. So guys, this is how you can do to fix this problem. I hope this video helpful for you. See you in another video soon.